Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 13th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. Three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and now it's time for the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Star Sudoku number 7265. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Yeah. Difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here four ones. Alright. We have here three twos. Two threes. Two fours. Two fives. Two three sixes. Two sevens. Three four eights. Alright. And two nines. So the ones and eights are in majority. Can I start with the 8? No. How about the 1? Yes. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, no need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, no need to place left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 1. But the 8 now? Nope. Still cannot continue with 8. Nope. How about 9? 2, 5. I'm thinking. 5, 5. And I need here. Also a 5 here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So third row, only place level 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have 5 and 8 in the first row, so no 5 and 8 in these two boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And we have a pair. The 3 and a 9 in this column, the 3 and a 9 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Then. About 4, 6, 4, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this column for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 and the 7. Alright. Now. How about 5, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, and look, we have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, here 2 in this column, no 2 there, the only place left for the 2 in this row should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. We have a 2 here. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 5, 9, 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in the last row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 9 goes and there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this column, second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Yeah. We have a pair, the 4 and 8 in the third column, the 4 and 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 9, 9. Yeah, we have 8, 6. Need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. Three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the first 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. One box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Yeah, the 9. Okay. Then, two numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 7 goes there. The 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then... 7 here, two missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes. How about this, the 9 in this row, the 9 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright, 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 5 should be there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then we have a pair. 3 and a 5 in this row. Last row. 3 and a 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 3 and a 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the last column, so no 3 and 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Alright, so... what are these missing numbers then in this row? For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 6 goes in there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 7 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 4 goes in there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column 3, no need 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright. 1 number left in the last column for the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers. In this column, for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes. And they are finished in 15 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Let me give this a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.